I'm Mike from Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I'm going to show you how to play Hurt So Good by John Cougar Mellencamp. It's a great song. Hope you enjoy it. If you do, if you would, like and subscribe to our channel. It's completely free and it helps us out a lot. All right, so let's get started with the lesson. So the song starts out with that's a simple A chord. You do a G. You can hit this G note on the E string. So you're going to put your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the E string. Then you're going to hit an A bar chord right here. Then you're going to do it again and you're going to hit an E. So you're just going to move your finger up move it up one string. So the A chord is going to be these two strings, the D and the G. You're just going to move your finger up and cover up the A and the D. Does that twice, and then it does this. So you're going to put your middle finger on the 4th fret, your first finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're just going to cover up these two strings on the 2nd fret, the B and the G. This next chord is your 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the D. Your 2nd finger is going to be on the 3rd fret of the B string, and then you're going to bar across these 4 strings here. Then you're going to lift them up. And end on that A. E chord, G, A. When it gets into the verse, it does this sort of old-fashioned blues little progression here on an A chord. You're going to make that A chord again where you bar across the 2nd fret and keep this A string open, and you're going to mute it with your right hand. And on the D string, you're going to go down on the 4th and the 5th fret. Then you're going to move up to the E chord. Then you're going to make this F sharp chord where you're going to bar across the 2nd fret. You put the 3rd and the 4th finger on the 4th fret of the A and the D string. Then you're going to move down to this D chord, which is a bar on the 5th fret. You're going to bar on the D, G, and B with your ring finger. So it goes. What that is the E and the B string just plucked openly. So it goes. So the verse ends on an E chord. So I'll go through the verse one more time from beginning to end. You start out with the A. E. D. That's the end of the verse. Then in the chorus it goes. And that's just that A and that E blues riff again. Oh, hurts so good. Hurts so good. And there's a bridge. It goes a D chord, an A chord, F sharp, A. So that D chord is just going to be the bar down on the 5th fret. And for the A, I just bar it on the 5th fret and make my A down here, make an A major out of it. Back to the D, F sharp, A, D, back to the A, and then it goes. And all that is that E blues little 3-finger riff sort of a thing. So that's at the end of the bridge. And that's how it ends. So it's kind of a old-fashioned blues, sort of a rock and roll song. It's a good one to play, I think. I enjoy it. I hope you do too. If you do, like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you got something from this lesson. So thank you. Have a great day.